Welcome to Pink Caddy Garage. We're going to do a video today and show you how to change the windshield wipers on the Mercedes GLS450. Let's get started. The only parts we're going to need for this is obviously a couple of new wiper blades. I've never done this before, but I don't think we'll need any tools. If you want a part number, that is for the front blades. That's a pair for the 2017 Mercedes GLS. They were about $29 at rockauto.com, which is roughly half the price that the auto parts store wanted here locally. Let's go inside the car and get our blades in position. We're inside the car now. We're going to start with the left blade, and I'll show you why I recommend doing that in just a second. We're going to want to get that blade up here in a stop position where it's easy to reach. So the way you're going to want to do that is to go ahead and hit your start button without pressing the brake pedal. Get things powered up, and then we're going to cycle these blades on and turn the car off as soon as they're in a vertical position. Come on now. Right, close enough. All right, back outside the vehicle, you're going to want to grab that windshield wiper and just gently pull it out till it kind of locks up in the air there. And you can see right here, there's a little black plastic button. That is the retainer. So you're going to want to get a screwdriver or something and just poke it down a little bit and slide it where you're getting this clearance right here between the blade and the arm. And then you're going to want to rock the bottom of this out, away, and it just pops out like that. So what you're working against there when you're wiggling that out, just so you know, are these little hooks right here, just a little molded in hook. So that's why you're going to want to rock that out so that hook can disengage and then slide that wiper all the way out. Installation is going to be the reverse with our new blade. You can see we've got our little square button for our retainer. So you're going to want to kind of rock this out to get some clearance here. Going to want to wiggle it around a little bit and feel like it's going in without much resistance. If it's sitting there like that with about a quarter inch or so, you're in good shape, and then just push it down until it locks into place. Wiggle it back and forth and you'll get that button to come up pretty flush. And that's one. Now over on the right side, it's going to be easier if you put the wiper back down in the park position, just so you can reach it easier. So again, we're going to push our button down, get that thing disengaged just a little, and then we're going to rock it down at the back right here, create that gap, and that pops out. New one's going to go in. It's easier if you put your thumb right here. That'll help create that gap you're looking for. Rock it back and forth, get your button to lock in place. Remove protective towel, and now you've got yourself a pair of nice, new, and most importantly, quiet wiper blades. Thanks for watching.